Not here. In the third video of our 4-part series, we'll be walking you through the customer journey. You can check out this video and the rest of the series below.
So this is basically taking you from I've heard of Fanta to I am buying Fanta all the time. So to put it more broadly, let's talk about the latest FIFA sport game on your controller. So at the awareness stage, it's somebody told me about this game, it's coming out. I haven't heard of it, somebody told me about it. Then at the prospecting level, I Googled it and I see some articles about it. So now I'm interested. Consideration is you went to the website and maybe you watched the trailer, or maybe you clicked around and looked at some of the gameplay features. Intent is where we really like you. That means that you've done something that says you want my game. So in this case, I went to the pre-order page and I selected my PlayStation 55 or whichever version they're on right now, and I pre-ordered. And then I'm in the post-purchase loyalty stage. I pre-ordered, I've signed up for email updates, and I'm ready to get my product. So, like I said, you started, you didn't even know the game was coming out. At the end of it, you've made a purchase. And this is kind of like the general funnel that we use when we talk about taking somebody from 0 to 60. So when we understand who, and when we understand how they get there, we then go together and work together with the brands that we work with to figure out what to say to you and when. So, hey, I know I might do an out-of-home campaign because, hey, you're walking around on the streets and you're thirsty and I think you want Fanta right about now. Figure out the things that aren't working, finding out new places to share the messaging. So that could be while you're playing Animal Crossing, and I'm like, oh, maybe I will put a product placement with Fanta there. And improve upon the products and experiences. I can't improve upon Fanta, but I might make the buying experience a little bit better for you. So those are the types of things that those two frameworks help us do. And again, it's all together with the client. We're bringing in things that we found being spies. We're bringing in their knowledge of their product. We're putting it together, and we're making something better for everybody involved. That's how you use digital strategy to create long-term relationships. This is always the beautiful picture that you need to have in your head.